Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCipher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.
Hello, and welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In today's weekly price analysis, we will cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Starting with Bitcoin, the most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Bitcoin began the week on a bullish note, breaking through the $30,000 level for the first time in 10 months. This improved the market sentiment, resulting in the price of other top cryptos rising higher. Looking at the daily BTC INR chart on CoinSwitch Pro, we can see that Bitcoin has bounced higher from 23 lakhs 80,000 rupee level after weeks of consolidation. As it broke above the 24 lakhs 80,000 rupee level, it formed a high at the 26 lakh rupees level, and more likely that it has once again entered into the consolidation phase. Since the start of this year, Bitcoin has been consolidating after clearing above all of its key resistance levels, which is a positive sign for the market as it increased the chances of holding up in adverse market conditions. To continue moving higher, Bitcoin needs to clear above the 26 lakh rupees level with strong volume and move towards its next resistance level, which is placed at 27 lakhs 50,000 rupees. In absence of any positive events, Bitcoin is likely to move within the narrow range of 24 lakhs 80,000 rupees and 26 lakhs rupees. If RSI reverses from here, we might see Bitcoin breaking below the 24 lakhs 80,000 rupee level. Now, moving to Ethereum. Ethereum has been in focus for some time now as it will witness the most significant Shanghai upgrade today and close the process of migrating from POW to POS chain. The upgrade is likely to unlock 15% of the circulating Ethereum supply worth around $33 billion. However, large-scale withdrawals of tokens are unlikely as only 29% of the staked Ethereum are in profits. Looking at the daily chart of Ethereum, 1,64,000 rupee level has turned extremely resistive and has pulled back. The volatility in Ethereum price is natural, given the nature of the upgrade. Ethereum is likely to trade within the narrow range of 1,57,000 rupees and 1,64,000 rupees. A break below 1,57,000 rupee level would be negative and might result in Ethereum breaking down to 1,50,000 rupee level. RSI is moving sideways around the 70 level, indicating strength in the rally. However, if it moves below 60, we may see a sort of selling pressure. Alternatively, if Ethereum breaks above the 1,64,000 rupee level, the next major resistance is placed at 1,75,000 rupees. Moving to the last coin of this weekly price analysis, that is Solana. Despite all the negative developments at the start of the year, Solana has recovered and is showing strength. Sol has stayed above one of its key support levels at 1,770 rupees for the last many days, and in yesterday's session, it bounced higher by breaking above the 50 moving average line. It is currently facing resistance at 1,950 rupee level. A break above could accelerate the rise of Sol price towards its next resistance placed at 2,150 rupee level. Above this, it needs a very strong trigger to break out. A break below 1,770 rupee level is unlikely as it has formed a very strong base. Daily RSI is above 60 and is increasing, indicating the buildup of bullish momentum. However, short-term volatility might impact Sol price, but the overall chart looks positive. That's all in today's price analysis. Thank you.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCipher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.